back to our channel, Little Hands by Vaishvik and Srinithi. So we're gonna make a mango costume for a fancy dress competition. So let's get started with this mango video. First, we took a big sheet of paper. Well, it's mostly gigantic, and we drew a mango. Yum. Now we're gonna outline it. And start here, starting from here. Yes. Okay, this is done. After we cut. After cutting, it should look like this. So we're gonna use this orange crayon like a highlight. So we're gonna draw like color with it all over the mango. Well, only on the sides, like this. So we're done coloring orange all around the mango. So now we're gonna use this tissue and clear away all the extra orange. So we took 2 sheets of green paper for mango leaf. So we folded them in half and drew a mango leaf. So now we're gonna cut them. So after cutting, they should look like this. So now in the middle, I'm gonna draw a line. So I'm gonna draw some like leaf line. So after this one, I'm gonna make another one too. So now I'm gonna glue these leaves onto the mango. So we attached these giant leaves to this gigantic mango. So now let's move on to the next step. So we added a stem here. So now we're gonna make the hat. So we need to fold it in half, just like this. After folding here, we had to cut it like right in the middle. So after cutting, you should draw like this for the mango crown. So we made this super small mango, and we made these super small leaves. So now we're gonna attach them together. And they're super same like the big ones. After attaching, it should look like this. Now I'm gonna attach this right over here. Stick. So now we're gonna wrap this. See? The mango came in the middle. And it really fits me, right? The mango cream. I read it. So now we have to take this piece of ribbon and staple it from here over the head. After finishing, it looks like this. So my sister is going to tell some more facts about mangoes.
I am a mango. I am yellow in color. I grow in the summer only. I am a seasonal fruit.
Great job! If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next